Do you ever go for a drive, you're feeling great, and you go out for a drive and you just let yourself be led? You hit the road and you let the road take you wherever you want it to go, and it feels great, and you're following your joy, and everything is wonderful. You stop to eat where you want to eat, and it's a wonderful day. You're just zigging and zagging, however it feels great for you that day. I call this a play date with your soul. But what if you have a destination that you're trying to reach, a destination in your life? You've got a goal, or you've got a dream, or you've got a yearning, and you don't know how to get there. Well, I want to remind you that you have an inner GPS system that talks to you in so many ways, and it guides you to your next steps. It guides you along your path to wherever it is you want to go. But it's not as easy as just saying, follow your joy, follow your guidance. There are steps involved. Otherwise, we'd all have what we want. We'd all be where we want to go. We'd all be living the life of our dreams. We'd be who we want to be. And these 5 steps will take you there. So first step is you have to notice. Do you notice your guidance? Can you feel it? Can you hear it? Do you even realize it's there? Step 2 is deciphering your guidance. Can you tell the difference between your inner guidance and your ego voice? Are you making it up, or is this real guidance from within? Then you have to believe the guidance. Is this actually guidance? Do I believe it? And what do I do now? If I'm believing this is okay, this is guidance for me, I believe it's there, what do I do now? The next step is trust. And this one I find, it stumbles me every time. Trusting that the guidance, first of all, is yours. Secondly, it is guidance. And then trusting it, and trusting it wholeheartedly. Not just trusting it like, oh, I'll try a little bit, I'll see what happens. And you can certainly do that, baby step in through it. But once you trust it wholeheartedly, then things get easier. And the final step, trust shifts to knowing. You know within your heart, you know within your soul, you know within your bones that you are being guided, and the guidance is for you. And you don't even need to know the destination. You don't need to have it figured out. You don't even need to know where you're going. You just trust and know that wherever you're being guided is for your highest good. And then life just gets so easy. You let go, you allow, and you experience. As I said, this is not an easy path, or we would all have everything we want, but practice does make it easier. The more you practice, step 1 and 2 just fall away. And then you're working on the believing and the trusting. And once you get that, the knowing just naturally comes. So if you'd like practice with this, I am going to be in Ottawa on April 11th, and I'm going to guide you through steps 1 and 2 to put you on that path to following your joy, following your guidance, and knowing what it is, knowing you can tell the difference, knowing you can follow it, and knowing there's a path that is leading you somewhere that is just for you. So join me April 11th in Ottawa. All the details are below, and I hope to see you then. Bye for now.